We'll start with Ms. Rosales, and then on the second question, we can take the first answer from Mr. Montoya. So the first question is, what is your philosophy regarding the prosecution of possession of personal use amounts of cannabis? When in office, how would you put your philosophy into action? Ms. Rosales?
Thank you, Cole. As I previously stated in multiple forums throughout the year and in this race for district attorney, I have repeatedly stated that the way the legislature has written the law now, it's made it very difficult for any law enforcement agent or DA to prosecute these cases. And they kind of pass the buck by putting the burden on those particular offices. So what I've said is that you cannot prosecute somebody without probable cause and without evidence. And if law enforcement wants to present a case, they need to submit a lab test. But let me inform you that DPS has already stated that when it comes to misdemeanor cases, basically personal use cases, they are not going to be testing those amounts of substances. So if they're not going to test it and we don't have a lab result that's going to indicate that the substance has less or more than 0.3% THC, then we're not going to be pursuing cases and arresting people who potentially could be arrested on false premises. I don't believe in arresting somebody without probable cause, without evidence, and we're definitely not going to pursue those cases if we don't have lab results to back up the pursuit of criminal charges. You know, we can damage somebody's future. We don't want to do that. We want to make sure that young adults who may be caught with this personal use marijuana has the opportunity to continue to go to college, has the opportunity to receive financial aid. Anybody who wants to get some kind of employment opportunity that requires some kind of state licensing, such as nursing school, doctors, pharmacy school, we definitely don't want to have this type of offense preventing them from having that ability to have a fruitful life and to be a contributing member of the society. So again, no evidence, no lab results, we're not going to pursue these charges.